Welcome back, Simona Cochi, the Italian way. Freezing times. I'm waiting for the snows here. But anyhow, I'm well equipped. I'm optimistic because I'm gonna uh, send my colorful and energetic messages on Furla series until the 18th of December 2022 at Galleria Moderna. Galleria d'Arte Moderna Milano. This project has been, of course, produced and supported by Furla Foundation. Andrea Bowers with her first solo shows here in Italy. As you have seen from the introduction, the footage, it's all about colorful messages on the women's situation, and also um, there is a lot of aesthetic vision on carrying these messages towards the different audiences. And also I think that they found a perfect match in depicting this vision of Andrea Bowers. I mean, even if she is American, she completely embodies our vision of aesthetic rules and whatever. So the result is that is so elegant, such an incredible, iconic mise en place. Along with the different cooperation, we are gonna discover who they engaged as well to represent the female condition in the words. Let's start with the portrait of this beautiful lady that is Andrea Bowers. So, as I told you, she is from Los Angeles, and so she belongs to that kind of, also we can say, pop culture, very colorful, very happy, and so they decided together to bring here in Italy this different way of reporting and on the um, um, women condition, and so it's a kind of um, you know representation of the different powers that women could have in this social situation. Furla series is the project, a cycle that since 2017 has engaged Fondazione Furla in the creation of exhibition in collaboration with different artists coming from all over the world. And of course, the highlights on the manifesto are to mesh together the aesthetic practices and the political engagement for a feminist perspective. So it's an immersive experience within the world of women and how they can fight back in a very aesthetic way the struggle for the gender equality. So these are the main messages that want to bring to the audience. And also Andrea Bowers wanted to inspire herself from the Italian feminist experiences and the work of the philosopher and activist Alessandra Chiricosta, the woman that she is also depicted in the cover, who studies and teaches the practice of martial arts as a form of bodily self-awareness. So they try to give a full um, perspective of on how women could bring her force to the external world. So here it's fight like a girl. It's a motto that is realized with neo techniques, and it's absolutely one of the most iconic works they brought here. And you see also the spaces are really outstanding, and I'm happy that we have a few days left to visit these exhibitions, and also these are some of the uh, fans that the artist wanted to brought with messages here in Italy. And so there is a perpetual confrontation so with some of today's Italian feminist experiences, and also few ideas on the shows. You see, this is the politics ribbon with they are realized messages and declarations of this colorful ribbon. Each one is realized on a different subject, and so it's a way to declare war in Italian, in different languages, also the different perception and femminismo and antirazzismo. So it's a very elegant way to declare war to the um, gender inequality, I will say. Okay, getting back to me, to my face, it's time to ask you to give me some thumbs up for my work, because it's time also to have and to show some love to Simona Cochi and to the Italian way concept. And I don't want to bother you, but if possible, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be reviewing for you more and more events, and will send you my positive and energetic messages from Italy and its artistic way of thinking and perceiving the vibrations of art. Keep on staying tuned. Simona Cochi, the Italian way.